Alright, we're starting off day 25. Casa de Malouff rebuild. Alright, they took the trash truck away. Coming back with that. All the guys are working. They're working hard. They're cleaning up all the nails and stuff for the garage so we can put the new drywall in. Let's see what's going on the inside. Hey, oh, sorry. Compound and spackling the walls. Got the ceiling. Got the stilts. They put the vents up. So the AC guys must be working. Everybody's working today. Oh, I don't see the AC guys. The ladder over here? Nope. Oh, okay. Guess they're not here. Alright, so we're compounding the walls. That's coming up next. Looking good. Everything's looking smooth, looking good. Alright, let's make it happen. Thermostat not put in yet. Okay. Alright, that's how it goes. Little by little. One step at a time. Everything looking good. Alright. Alright, let's start. Start the day. Day 25. All right, day 25 is coming to a close, coming to an end. As you see, I started sanding the beams here. Everybody's going to say, why are you doing that? Oh my God, it's so much trouble, blah, 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 which is true. But it's probably just, it's quicker and easier if I just buy the beams and replace out the beams. But that's probably going to be next year sometime. Right now, these beams are still pretty good. They just got some cracks and old whatever. But they are weather treated, pressure treated beams. So I want to sand them to get all this green paint off everything here, because this is all going to be repainted black. So we're going to have a black trim. So I don't want to paint the black trim over the green. Same thing in the front. So while I have nothing to do with the inside, I can do this on the outside, at least sand it, get it ready. Of course, it'll probably take me 3 weeks to sand all this crap, but I'll work on it. If not, then we'll figure something else out. But let's make our way inside. Let me get my little water jug here, my 5-gallon water jug. All right, so the guys have been compounding, and it's looking really good. Look at that. Look how open this house looks now. Wow, look at that. Of course, once I put everything in, it's going to be small again. So we're allowed 1 small chair per person. That's it. No couch, no love seat. 1 tiny 19-inch TV on the wall. So anyways, so the rooms, I think they're still compounding here. Oh, it looks like they're almost done. All right, looks like they're pretty much done with compounding. And I think the next stage is just the light sand to smooth it out. And then we're ready for paint. So they still got to block off the pantry. Oops. The pantry. So here in the bathroom, the master, we've been working on this. And we got the shower stuffing it raised up there. We got the shower thing hooked up. So I got the drain pans, and we're making progress. So the water tank has been removed. So if anybody's interested in buying a water tank, local area, probably $100, you can have it. Hook me up. So all this is going to be redone, re-cleaned out. All the lines are going outside for the tankless water heater outside. So I got to clean up all that. That'll be cleaned up and packed up. So, and then the garage, we started working on the ceiling of the garage, but we stopped to finish up the bathroom. So that's it, man. That's it. 40-gallon tank. Okay, day 25 come to a close. We're all good. See you tomorrow. Start all over again.